reached campsite number 16 for the year. We're headed to Port Angeles for their first outdoor race of the season. And it's the first time all three of us have slept in just the van. So we have a new addition to the van. Doing a test run before our vacation. So let's see what we got up here.
Hello.
Oh.
Put this back.
Oh, here we go.
I get to sleep up here for this trip, and while the rooftop tent is always on the van, I get to sleep in it. So what we have is my pillow, my soccer, baseball, hockey, football, basketball, volleyball, all that stuff. And I got my sleeping bag, keep me warm, and then I got another blankie. And then we have my backpack full of clothes and toothbrush and toothpaste. We have my windows that I want open right now right now to get fresh air in here. And then we have the memory foam bed, so I'm not sleeping on a yoga mat. And I have my shoe holders, which my new vans are in. I earned those for doing 30 days of all my schoolwork. And I got a new bike to go with it. So tomorrow we're going to somewhere.
We're going to Lincoln Park BMX.
Yep.
Well, honey, we have $17 and 75 cents. Unfortunately, the fee is $18. So, on the envelope, that's what we had to put. U.S. Department of Agriculture, we owe you 25 cents. We'll pay extra at the next campsite. Warning, eating raw shellfish from this beach may make you sick. And look at the little graphic. The pukey one, I believe, is real. The other one is Sharpie. But from a distance, boy, doesn't that look like a real sign. Oh, you vandals, you. Time to do the dishes. The dishes are done, man. We are making omelets in Ziploc bags, courtesy of Jim. We shall see how this goes. Scramble the eggs. And now you boil them. And now we wait. Makeshift toaster. But after way longer than indicated in the boiling water, they weren't done. So we resorted to a pan. Best.
You might want to blow on it.
Yeah, it might be a little hot. Hot but tasty? All right.
Auto Bar, 4650 Women's Cruiser, Kelly Goldman, Heidi Kramer, Marlene Crashing the Price and Dina Walter. We got Mike Master tearing up that first straight. Looks like I think I should have worn a sweatshirt today. Price and Kramer battle out that first straight. Mike Master Colors battle it out down that first straight. Yeah, Lee, Sam, Henry, and Holman.
Go, Henry! Go, Henry, dig, buddy, go, go, go! Come on, Henry! Come on, Henry!
Dalen leading them in that first corner.
As always, thanks for watching. And if you're still here, join me on my journey to health in my 41st year, full of bicycling and active things and the 2B mindset with lots of veggies and delicious food. See you next time.